Broadcast television is fast-paced and the technology is constantly changing. The combination of a TRu monitor and its advanced capabilities, combined with the video wizardry of the Broadcast Pix Mica switcher system, gives users an operational leg up on the competition.
So by using the TRu monitor versus a fixed switcher, it gives us a lot of flexibility both in the studio and on location. It's easy to pull out, set up, and we can get whatever control panel we like.
The TRu monitor supports varying degrees of touch sensitivity. This technology allows the user to customize the TRu system to fit their needs. Broadcast Pix offers its control panels in a variety of sizes and configurations. By adding a TRu monitor, the user can choose the control panel that best fits their needs and have the ability to change panels whenever the need arises.
By adding the TRu monitor to the Broadcast Pix box in our production studio, what we've done is we've brought basically tablet technology into the production suite. So people who are used to using a tablet, using a pad, when you come in and sit down to that control panel, it's really easy to operate. Plus, it's made things more flexible if we want to take it out of the studio and on location.
TRu monitors and Broadcast Pix, helping customers by combining touchscreen technology and advanced television expertise.